Whether you love them or hate them, clothes are a part of everyday life. But we've got some brilliant hacks to make dealing with them a little easier. I know, right? Hey, I gotta go. Give your granny some love. Why are her kisses always so wet? I've got some prezzies for my Lily. Ta-da! Thanks? How old are these? And? Oh! Isn't this adorable? Thanks, Grandma. But I saved the best for last. Cute, huh? Now try it on. But I want to make sure it fits you. Go on, I'll wait here. That's a good girl. It fits you beautifully, Lily. Do a little spin for me. I'm sure it's not my style. I look like my mom, don't you think? My bracelets. They ought to jazz this skirt up. Put the bracelets under the skirt and wrap the rubber band around it. Do it a couple more times, and before you know it, you've got an adorable new skirt. Do you mind taking my pic for Instagram? Where are the buttons on this thing? Ooh, am I holding it up right? Just hold still. Is that David? What's up, ladies? That's better. Wow. What's up, Lily? Bella? Looks like we've got a little situation on our hands. May the best woman win. I'm so winning this. Wow, that's a lot of weight. I'm just strong like that. You okay, Lily? Going down! Bella definitely won that round. Yeah! And Bella's taken the lead again. Lily ought to start eating more spinach. And Bella's still in the lead. Whatever. Don't be a sore loser, Lily. And I still got more in me. How is this even fair? I can't do any of that stuff. That's it, folks. You win, Bella. But it came with a price. That's embarrassing. So gross. It's okay, Bella. Sweating's natural. I have an idea. Come on. See this regular t-shirt? Take scissors and cut it like this. Then go the opposite direction. In the end, it should look like this. Hello, muscle tee. See these? Tie them in a little knot like this. And then a bow. Pretty cute, right? My skin can actually breathe now. And it's stylish too. All that nasty sweat's gone.
Wish I could say the same. See ya.
Someone needs his own muscle tee. Wow, this book is really a gem. Hey, who's about to talk to him? Looks like Bella really needs some books. Those look like the right ones.
Careful, these are pretty heavy. They're due back next week.
Thanks a lot. Seriously? I knew I wasn't cut out to be a bookworm.
This is a library, remember?
I feel kind of bad. Hey, it'll be okay. Just leave me alone. I don't need your sympathy. Wait. I know exactly what to do. First, untie these laces, then the pants. Are you kidding me?
Oh boy.
Cross the ankles, then tie them together with a shoelace. Nice and tight. Then fold the legs back like this and stick the extra laces in the belt loops. Pull it all the way through. Then turn the jeans over and string the laces through the front loops. Put the books inside like this. Then tie them nice and tight. See? Now you have a makeshift backpack. It even has armholes. Hey, it actually worked. This is pretty awesome. Thanks, nerdy girl. See ya! That lipstick's pretty nice. Huh? The sale's today? I'm coming! Yes! It's even better than I imagined! And everything's discounted. Wow, that was the fastest I've ever seen. Got it! This is so unfair. There's one item left, miss. It's cute, I guess. Fine, I'll try. Well, may as well see if it fits. The design is pretty cool. What? It's 2 sizes too big. I'm practically swimming in it. I need some reinforcements. Any belts out here? That clip. Just gonna take it for 1 second. This is exactly what I need. Just spread it apart, bunch the fabric, and use the pin to secure it. And now it fits perfectly. I think I'll wear it out of here. Just need some great pumps. Am I a fashion genius or what? Thanks for the awesome sale! Keep the change. Hey, wasn't I wearing a clip? That's super weird. This party is gonna be epic! Miss Bella, care to explain this pigsty? Don't worry about it. I'm more concerned about what to wear. Is this color good? It's a little too pink. But these could work. It's still a mess in here. You have way too many clothes. I'll be back. Whatever. Did you see Amy's outfit this morning? If she won't clean, I will. Hey! Mom, stop! I can't take this anymore! Uh-oh. I'll call you back. Serves you right. Oh man, my mom ruins everything! Unless I can get creative with this. If you have bleach handy, pour it on just one pant leg. Don't be afraid to really glob it on. And now we wait. Look how unique these jeans are now. I'm back! Looks like the bleach looks good on those. My daughter's so crafty. Weren't these clothing hacks brilliant? Which one will you try out first? But don't keep all these hacks to yourself. Share this video with your friends so they can become fashion whizzes too. Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube page so you never miss out on the fun.